What's up? Good morning. I am I'm going to start I am going to live stream what I'm going to do this morning. So what I want to do what I want to do is add in an AI bot to my website, to my CRM website. And let me see if I can pull this up here. This is my website right here. And what I'm wanting to do is when my clients go or potential clients go here, there's like a try out our AI, and I'm going to put a box right here. And what I want to do is stop sharing. Hold on. What I want to do is I'm going to use AI to help me put this together and hook up the back end of GoHighLevel and all these things. So it's going to be a pretty nerdy live stream today, but I thought it'd be really fun to like just live stream the whole thing. I know it's early. It's pretty early for a lot of people, but whatever. I feel good. I feel like I want to get some stuff done, and dude, let me live stream this stuff, you know? All right, I need to log into my GoHighLevel. Give me a second here. Live streaming is so fun because you're gonna see me um you're gonna see me make mistakes and go what should we do, what should we do? So um that's what makes it super fun. All right, I'm pretty much logged in. I just need to grab Google right there. Oh, whoops. All right, so I'm logging in to GoHighLevel, and let's do a screen share. Let's do this entire screen. Boom. All right, cool. So I better go. Yep. All right, cool. All right, so there's my website. And what I want to do is put a field right here that hooks into my AI bot. So honestly, we might be here for a solid 2 hours figuring this out. How does that sound? It's going to be kind of crazy. Okay, so I want to go to this this sub account, the onboarding account that I have, and we're going to go to sites. We're going to go to my CRM site, and I'm going to go to edit. All right, there it is. So I want to add something in right here. So I'm going to click that on the blue. I want to get to the blue box. I just need one column there, and I'm going to add in. I'm going to do this a little different. I'm going to use AI to help me build this. Okay. I want to show you how I use AI to help me build this. So I'm going to actually put code there. Okay. So I like to use Replit. Replit's kind of my go-to for helping me code AI. By the way, use this. I'm going to put this in the chat. Let's put this in the chat right there. All right, cool. So, dude, I wish I could see. You know how Loom shows me Loom shows me my face. I wish I could do that. Why can't I do that? Let me see if I can do that. Hold on. Channel settings, pop out dashboard. No. Okay. I mean, it is what it is. All right, cool. Oh, you know what else I'm going to do? Dude, I better go. Yes. I'm going to stream on Instagram for a little bit and try to get people to come over here. Not many people are awake or, thinking about going on YouTube Live. Let's spin this around. All right, there we go. All right, cool. So I'm on YouTube and I'm on Instagram. And so I'm going to be kind of like bouncing back and forth. I'm trying to get some people onto the YouTube so they can watch me. So, okay. So I like to use Claude. Actually, I need to share my screen, don't I? Let's share Claude. Let's go to Claude. Okay, so I'm doing a YouTube live right now. And I know I went to Instagram. And so let me just jump on Instagram really fast. I'm going to tell people that I'm doing a YouTube live. What I'm doing is it's kind of a technical thing that I'm doing today, but I am working inside of my CRM and I'm going to use AI to add an AI bot. I'm using AI to make an AI bot on my website. So what I want is for people to text through my website, and AI will respond back and say, "Do you have questions? Can I, let's talk," right? And I want to have AI help me put this together. So I'm showing people, "Hey, good morning. I'm wanting to show people on YouTube like walk through step by step how I'm doing this or how I think I should do this." And so I'm using Claude to help me make a prompt. So I need a replit prompt to make a GoHighLevel. Let me make sure yeah, okay. Make a GoHighLevel. It's going to be a webhook. No, wait. Make a GoHighLevel website. Let's see. I need a replit prompt to make a GoHighLevel website or insert. Let me call it a GoHighLevel website insert that I'm going to use inside of my existing website for Blast CRM. And and if you're watching on Instagram, I'm on YouTube streaming right now, like sharing my screen. So I need a replit prompt to make a GoHighLevel website insert that I'm going to use inside of my existing website. I want my potential clients to enter in their phone number to have a conversation with GoHighLevel or Blast CRM AI bot. Can you repeat this back to me? So it makes sense. Okay. Yep. So it's like already starting to build it out, but I understand you're looking for a replit prompt to create go high level website insert for your existing. You want potential clients to enter their phone number to start a conversation with, but I understand. Yeah, I'll create this for you. Let me build a simple, effective form. Actually, I want a replit prompt, not for Claude to build it. I don't know why, but I like to come to Claude and help Claude have Claude help me build out prompts to use with other AI. It just kind of like makes it easier. So there it is. So clean professional design, simple web form for blasting your own laws. Yeah. Okay, let's try it. So I'm gonna come to Replit, and basically I'm just gonna put it right here and click paste. And what it's going to do is it's going to just start building out a little form for me. And the reason why I want to do it like this is, um, I don't know, it just looks cleaner. So if I were to do it in here, let me show you. So I'd say 2 columns. I would put the form right here. I would say like chat with my AI bot, something like that. Make it white. And then I would add a form. I'd have to build a form. I'd have to build a form and put it right there. Let's do a form. I have to put just like add my phone number. I'd have to make a form, put it there, make it. Yeah, it's just a lot of pieces. The way GoHighLevel has you build websites is like super. There's like a lot of moving pieces to just make a simple thing. But if I use um, if I use Replit, like in I don't know, not even 5 minutes. Well, it says 10 minutes. In about 10 minutes, I can take this and just paste it here. Let's see. I will need this to work inside of a Go High Level website. Is that possible? You know what? Shoot, I might have Claude build this for me. Create the new Replit part, paste this code, customize as needed, get the embed code from Replit. Yeah, so I just need embed code. All right. So that'll be, yeah, I'm just going to embed this form into GoHighLevel right here. Let's check it out. And what I'm going to do is, let's get rid of this part. And I'm going to, let's say, take a screenshot. Oops. Let's take a screenshot of this and give it to Replit. I'll give it a second. to, because what I wanted to do is like I needed to match the colors and everything. Let me see, is anybody chatting with me? No. Okay, cool. Okay, I've created phone number collection. Form includes validation. Da, da, da. Okay. Yeah. Oh, perfect. I know this might be off topic right now, but whenever you get a chance, can you answer it? Is there any way LOS will integrate to Trello? Um, integrate to Trello I mean, yeah, version 2 we can. I'm not sure how to get version 1 to integrate with Trello, but I got a question on Instagram. Can we get LOI Blaster to integrate to Trello? I'm sure that we can as long as it can. I haven't looked at Trello in probably 3 years. I'm sure that we can figure something out. We're more working on GoHighLevel, which has like a Trello Kanban board type of thing, but I know Trello's for free. So I'm sure we can. I just haven't I haven't messed with that. Okay, so if y'all are watching on YouTube, I'm just kind of waiting for Replit to kind of like put all the code together. Basically, what it does is it like gives you like a working model on the front end, and then it starts building the back end stuff. So I would say maybe 5 more minutes, and we'll have something that works. And then we just need to make it look nice. We need to make it look better than this is something that just like what is this? It gave me this weird icon. I don't know what that is, but um what I should do is take this, copy that image, and put it here. Will you use my logo and the same style from my website? What's up, Lee? LLG Home Solution. Yes, I had bro. Almost everybody got approved yesterday except for you. um, so what I thought I saw on your website was your domain /home. And so I took the /home part out and I resubmitted last night. But all of the updates that we've been doing, I had like 7 or 8. I can't remember. I don't have my little notebook next to me, but I had like a whole list of people who were getting denied on texting. Lee, you were one of them, and everybody got approved yesterday or over the weekend, and yours didn't. And I think it was because the domain had a /home, and so I took that out. Okay. Okay, so I need to grab a webhook URL. I'll do that here in a second. I'm going to ask it to um, redesign. Yeah. Let me go back to YouTube really fast. What's up, Claudia? Good to see you. Yep. Okay, let's get back to Replit. So what I'm asking it to do now is just take my logo, it's like a black and a purple theme, and give me, put that, make the form match my website, basically. So it's doing that right now. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do, see, I have two websites. Okay, cool. I need to go make an automation. Let's see. Let's create a workflow that is a webhook. So I just grabbed this webhook, and this is how um, Replit is going to use a webhook to send that the information to GoHighLevel. Okay. Oh, I got kicked off of Instagram. Okay, I'm back. Let's make a unique webhook for this site called AI test AI, not test. What do I want to make it? I'll just say AI webhook. And what's cool is I'm showing you how to do this, but I'm actually gonna, when I'm done, I'm gonna change the webhook URL because someone could take this and start sending crazy stuff to my to my CRM. But okay, let's see. Yeah, it has some kind of path reference. That's wrong. So, anyways, I'm seeing people jump in and off of Instagram. They're just seeing what I'm doing. But just to let you guys know, if you haven't been on here very long, I'm on YouTube Live and I'm showing people um, how I'm using AI to help me build a website form to help potential clients see my AI bot, basically. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but um, basically, I'm trying to show people how I'm using AI to help me build part of my website. Okay, this isn't bad. Okay. Um, will you make a specific key for this called AI clients testing? Yeah. So what it's saying here is it's building me a script, and once I deploy, I just have to do my domain and then put this in there, and it'll pull this up. So once we deploy, I'll show you guys what that looks like. Um, okay, I need to enter in my webhook. Cool. I might even ask it to make it horizontal just to see what that will look like. But I'm gonna try this first because I feel like that's gonna like Just gonna push this way down. But let's try it. Okay, cool. Wait, I want to call that something different. Will you rename this secret to like that? So it gives you secrets that you put into the back end. So I don't want people to be able to see this, see the code, you know. So let's go back here. I'm going to copy that, go back to Replit, paste it right there. So this is going to be stored into the deployment part. No, I don't want that. So it's going to be in the back end. It's going to be hidden. And basically what it's going to do is it's going to add in a payload. So I need to ask it to test it. Okay. Will you add first and last name? What I want it to do is grab the first and last name and the phone number, and then I'm going to build AI to say their name, say the person's name. Okay. Let me go back to YouTube and see what we got. Okay, cool. Are you guys able to see the screen share fine? Is everything fine? Just let me know in the chat. If you're on Instagram, you're not watching me stream on YouTube, or maybe you are, maybe you're doing both, but come over to YouTube if you want to watch me. I'm using AI to help me build a form that's going to sync up to my CRM, and my CRM is going to use an AI bot to chat back to those potential clients. And I'm showing you basically step by step how I'm doing it. So the CRM is going to receive the information, first, last name, phone number. Okay. And it's going to be right there. And I'll show you how I put all that together. Yep. We still need the form to be. Another question I get using Replit is like, how much does it cost? And right here, you can see it's every time it does like a little screenshot and a rollback, it costs a little bit of money. It costs like 25 cents. So far I've spent $1.75 to build this out. Okay. And that $1.75 is like how many times it gives us a save point, basically, right? It's using AI, which costs using AI costs money, right? And so it does that. It uses AI and it also gives us a rollback. So if I don't like what it does, I can go back to the beginning and roll back. Okay. Which I've used because sometimes see how many like I have so many like so many messages inside of here. Once it gets to be like so many, like when it gets to be a lot of messages, AI will start doing some weird stuff. Like it'll be changing the wrong thing. It'll, just AI gets overwhelmed, basically. Let me see. Did it send anything? No. Okay, cool. Bro, the only thing I don't like is how long this is. I'm gonna try it and then I can just edit it from there. Here's another thing. I'm gonna have it remove this part. So I'm gonna use this element selector and let's try that. Element selector, bro, it's not doing it. It's so funny. Like when I want to do it, it won't let me. Okay, I'm just gonna tell it. Will you remove the the title blast CRM from the form? I'm just going to try to take away some of that space, make it a little bit smaller or shorter. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and, well, I'm going to wait. I'm going to click deploy. And what that's going to do is it's going to give me a domain and it's going to take the script and put it on a website for us. And then what I'll be able to do is go back into the CRM and add it in right here. I'm going to get rid of this. This is kind of confusing. Save that. So I'm going to add it into this custom HTML right here. Put it right there. And let's see if we can get this thing to work. Okay, let's see if there's any questions. Kiefer asks, what do deployment costs look like? It depends. Like if you have a database, it's kind of expensive, but I won't need a database. So it's going to be like just a small form. And it will cost, as people use it. Instead of each field having a title, you could just put them in the default text to make it all more compact. Yeah. Yes, Keeper, I will probably do that. What he's saying is, let's change this to the window. So just put, instead of saying John, it'll say first name, last name, phone number. Or I don't even have to put phone number, but basically take the titles away. I will probably do that. Okay, let's just deploy. So it automatically does, this is when you click deploy, it automatically gives you auto scale, which is what I need because it's like a functioning form. It's going to do processing in the background. So I don't need 3 machines to run this. I don't need 4 CPUs. I could probably do it like that, like this. 1 CPU, I don't even think I need 1 gig of RAM, but I'll just do that and do 1 machine. This is not like some big heavy CPU thing. It's just a form, right? It's just gonna, when they enter the form, it's gonna send information. So I don't need a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, cool. So it's adding that secret key to the deployment, which is my GoHighLevel webhook, right? And so it might take, this is such a small thing, it might take maybe 5 minutes to deploy. Okay. I'm gonna go back to the preview. I'm gonna say reduce the top space of the form and actually I'm gonna screenshot like that. And then I'm gonna take Kiefer's suggestion. So I'm gonna take another screenshot. Will you remove the titles or replace the what's that called? What's it called when it's like already filled in? Dang, what's that called? Sample. We replace the inputs with the titles. Like instead of John, put first name and remove the titles to make the whole form more compact. All right, cool. See if I can get that done. Autofill default. Yeah. Dude, you did not reduce it. Okay, let's try that. Let's try this. Okay, so I'm going to take this. I'm going to add it right here. I'll show you. That's not it because that's not my domain. Okay, but my domain is right here. Oh, that looks so wrong. Okay, that's fine. Go back here. Like that. Publish. Let's see if it comes up. Okay. That's not bad. So let me kind of roll back. What I did is I went to the code editor. I just put, it told me what to say. It told me what to put. I just took that script and I went back to the CRM. I put the script in, but then I had to go back to Replit, the deployment, and grab my domain, this domain, and replace the domain, and then put /embed, okay? And that gave me that form. Now I can, so I'm clicking around too much. The form's in there. Now I can change it around to do whatever I want. Okay, so it made this change. Let me redeploy it. So it's gonna take the changes and push them back out. Okay, and then once that's done, I can come back here and just refresh this page and it'll be changed. It's pretty small. Ouch. It's pretty small and like I actually kind of want this to be bigger. Like this seems maybe just I have this ways zoomed in. Okay. Okay, I got you. So what I need to do is let's add some, let's add like 300 pixels right there. Hmm. I think I do want it horizontal. Let me go back to the stream. Are you also targeting mobile devices? And yeah, it it it's made. There's two. When you use GoHighLevel, it'll give you mobile mode, desktop mode. Okay, let's go back here. Let's look at deployment. So I should be able to refresh this. Okay, there we go. That's a lot better, but I think I want it to be horizontal. Let's see. Let's go back here. Will you show me a redesign for a horizontal form instead? Horizontal form. I think that will. This isn't bad. Whoops. It's just like I don't like it going past here. I can work to like bring this down further. It's just going to be a battle, you know. So if I can get this to be more horizontal, I feel like I'll have an easier time with the whole thing. Yeah. All right. And what's cool is I don't have to, I mean, I'll have to redeploy it, but since I've already installed it into GoHighLevel, I just have to leave that there. I don't have to redo all that stuff. Okay. So I'll do that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is let's test the webhook. Oh, this is going to be so much better. Will you remove some of the white space? What's it called? Padding. I just want it to be a little bit tighter. But I think this is going to be better. What do you guys think? Dude, I wish I could see myself when I'm streaming or see the chat when I'm streaming. But I'm liking this a lot more. Yeah, plus I'm streaming on Chrome, so it's like not the best. Um, anyway, I'm not complaining. I'm gonna go ahead and deploy that. Let's see what it looks like. Um, where can I? I'm gonna go ahead and like just look in the code myself and see if I can get that to move up how I want it. Embed.js, public embed. Padding 12. Oh, it still has a logo here. Title, subtitle. What does this change? That's the border. Okay, that's the form. What is this? Mm, will you move chat with AI bot as close to the top of the form as you can? So it's a little bit of a painstaking. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. What I think is cool is like I can if I'm using Replit or using some kind of AI to help me build it, I can do what I want. If I build with GoHighLevel, I'm stuck. GoHighLevel only has certain amount of things, certain um, you can only do a certain amount of things with what they have, right? But if I build outside of that, if I build with another tool, I can I can make it how I want. And then I just oh, so much better. Yes. Deploy. Okay, this is gonna work so much better for us. It's gonna be like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna open up a new chat just because we've done all the design work. Will you build a test script for our Go High Level webhook? So basically what it's gonna do is just make it for me and send it. Oh, awesome. Why did it revert? Maybe that's so funny. Okay, now I have to figure out why did the form change. This is the fun of working with AI because AI only kind of understands what it understands. It just it uses all the information it has, tries to make decisions, right? So I'm gonna have to say, hey, my form, this is the old form, like revert back. Okay. So it's making a script to help me put all this together. I'm gonna wait until it's done to go, hey, my form changed. Okay, let's go back. Yeah. Oh, I don't want a dashboard. So see how it's like it's thinking of what would work. It'll go, oh, we're making a test script. I need a dashboard to see like what happens, you know. No, I just need to test the form. That's all. I don't need all this other you're trying to do other stuff, bro. So um yeah, just give me I just want a go high level webhook test script for my form so I can program the webhook in GoHighLevel. It's I wanted to this was for demonstration purposes, you know what I mean? So like if you're building a huge form and honestly it's a pain. So like let's say you're doing one like for JV deals. You want the address, the name, the agent's name, the seller's name, the bed bath count, like blah blah blah. You can just have Replit say, "Hey, build me a script to test this form," instead of you having to retype and retype and retype. Okay, I recommend that you do that, and basically you're just sending information to your CRM, and that's it. It's just for testing. But it went ahead and like made whatever so many scripts now. So we are getting our form in place. We're getting the webhook. And then the next thing we're going to do is add in an AI bot. I'll show you how I'm gonna sit here and walk you through how to build an AI bot with GoHighLevel as well. Okay. So um, if there's anything else you'd like to see, I'm gonna go back to the stream. Whoops, not yet. I want to do that. If there's anything else you'd like to see as far as like using AI and in conjunction with GoHighLevel, I'd love, like, I can do it right now. We're already at an hour. Wow, this is crazy. I got one person watching on Instagram. We are on the YouTube channel, Myron Bradley, Texas, Myron Bradley TX, and we are using AI to help us build a form that integrates into a GoHighLevel website. And then what we're going to do with that is build an AI bot that responds to the people who input their information into the form. If you get on the YouTube, it's hard to explain in words what I'm doing, but if you get on our YouTube channel, then you can see, you kind of get it, right? So it's interesting how what we can come up with, basically. Okay, I'm gonna screen share again. Let's see what we got going on. I'm gonna pause it. You made another form that was already formatted like I wanted. This white form is not it. Let me try to refresh this. Oh, I should make it's kind of screwing up my gradient flow now. I'm gonna try to move that down. Okay, it looks like this. Well, I guess I'm just gonna recreate this thing. Hold on. I asked to make an embed for GoHighLevel. Do you see that form? Yes. Can you make that our default form instead of what you're showing me? Oh, it's giving me troubles now. Okay, hold on. I only want to edit the embed JS form. Can you show okay, I think it understands. So it has this React form here, and it went ahead and made an embed form, but then it got confused and it started making the other form. It started like I said this before, like after you do so many things, it kind of gets confused on what it's doing. So let's see if it helps, if it goes back. You have to pay attention. All right, let's let it load. So I'm going to check this. Let's see if it, there we go. Let's see what it did. Name. Let's see, inbound webhook. We did a first, last name, phone number. Okay, perfect. Okay, so when you do a webhook, it's going to create a contact, and then you can click on this this little tag, and it'll tell you what the webhook is giving you. What information is that webhook giving you? The form is pushing data in the form of a webhook. So you're getting a first name, last name, and a phone number. Okay. So perfect. So I can do first name. I'm going to add a field, type in last name, to click on that little tag, go to webhook last name, and then do phone number, and then do phone number like that. Okay, that's my webhook. Perfect. So this is my AI, let's see, website AI test. Boom. Okay. Now it works. So I have my webhook, I have my contact. Now I'm going to do an AI bot. Let's do conversation AI. That's the one. Oh, appointment booking. Actually want conversation AI is what I want. Yes. Okay. So I don't want it. I can have it book appointments, but just to test, I'm gonna show you this one. Just like I'm gonna do a conversation AI bot. It's a question and answer general Q&A, and it's gonna help people who text. They're gonna ask questions. Okay. Basically, what I want them to do is go sign up for the CRM, right? Okay, so I'm going to save that. Save the action. Oh, channel was SMS. Yes. Save it. Okay. So I just have it in place, but I'm going to give this back to Claude, and Claude is going to help me put this all together. I might use ChatGPT actually. Let's see. Let me see if this will work. Yo, it's taking a long time. Okay, cool. So let me try this one. I'm getting an error on submission. Dang, I like this one. Let's change this. Let's go to embed sample. Embed sample. Okay, this is the one I want. Let me go back to agent. Okay, I am using the embed sample form to integrate with GoHighLevel. I need that form to function properly with the GoHighLevel webhook. I don't know. I always spell properly wrong with a T. Let me see if I have any. Okay. No questions. Cool. Let's ensure that the embed sample form is properly working. Let me check the existing code. I want to test the webhook to see it's making good news. It's working. Great. Now I can see the server logs. Okay, cool. Yes. Would you like to test? Yes. I just clicked submit. Did it work correctly? Let me go back here and look at the logs. Okay, there it is. All right, cool. So I'm gonna get rid of everybody from that. And I'm going to, okay, I'm gonna redeploy that. What I want is to add a bunch of space. Let's see here. I need the background to be bigger or longer, more like, oh, probably not that. Let me refresh that. What I'm trying to figure out is how can I add space here to make it not, I don't want the background to be bleeding into this purple if I can. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get rid of this. Get rid of this. I like that. I think I can move this way up. Did that really cause it to go so far up? Oh, because I'm pushing it up. Yes. Okay, gotcha. And then let's tighten this up and tighten that up. That's surely not enough. Oh, that looks a lot better though. I might just roll with this. Maybe if I put like a thing, like a weird glowing thing around it. Let me ask Replit to do that. Will you put a glowing border around the form? Oh, my Instagram dropped. When? All right. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? No questions. Okay. Let's go back. So I wanted to add like a glowing border around it. Oh, that's cool. That's a good idea. Okay, so we know that it's working. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to let Replit kind of do its thing, but let's start putting this together. So I'm going to use Claude, and I have a project here for Blast CRM. I am implementing a web form that lets my potential clients test out an AI bot with their phone number. I need general Q&A to put into my CRM. And then I'll take it needs a personality. It needs a personality. I'll say one. First thing, needs a personality. Second thing, additional instructions. Well, maybe I can just like do that. Second, additional instructions. See attached photo. John Bay, no, I'm not using John Bay's on Instagram. He said, hey, sorry, you're Zon. He said, are you using Zapier? No, I'm using it. Jump on YouTube and I'm showing you how I'm not using Zapier. I'm using AI to help me build out a website form that integrates into GoHighLevel. It's not a third party. It's like I'm building a website to, it's a webhook. I'm just webhooking right into GoHighLevel. Yeah, I'm breaking it down step by step. How I'm using Replit AI to build out a web form to help me just integrate. And now I'm using Claude to help me build out the AI bot. Okay, cool. And additional instructions and then questions. And I'm gonna copy that. Oh, I didn't get it. Hold on. Q&A, second photo attached. Let's see what Claude can get us. And what's cool is in Claude, you can build out projects. So I put all the information about my CRM into Claude. And so it's going to pull from that project and help me build out Q&A. It's going to help me build out the questions that relate to my CRM. So it makes it easy for me to like hold that data inside of Claude. Let's see. Friendly professional advisor. Brief answers. Okay, customer service, sales, conversation. Okay, Q&A. Are you interested in improving your business, especially with AI solutions? What industry your business in? When would be your time for a brief constant? Okay, I don't like consultation calls. I would like to just refer them to our feature page and purchase page, which is, oops. So if I wanted a booking bot, I would make the booking bot, but I wanted to just do like a general Q&A SMS bot. Actually, let's update features to just features. Oh, it's not just features. Okay, I'll change that. Let's go here. Let's go. Features. Oops, websites. Is it in the funnel? No. No, it's here. Oh, here it is. This needs to be just features. Okay, and then go here